Are you ready to power your home with clean, renewable energy? Imagine a future where your electricity bills are significantly reduced and you're making a positive impact on the environment. Welcome to the world of solar energy. Solar power harnesses the limitless energy of the sun to generate electricity. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly solution that not only benefits you, but also the planet. One of the key advantages of going solar is the immediate impact on your monthly expenses. Say goodbye to soaring electricity bills and hello to substantial savings. Going solar requires zero out-of-pocket expenses for you. Instead of paying a never-ending high utility bill, you can now pay a lower solar bill that has an end date. With various financial incentives, tax credits, and rebates available, the transition to solar is a no-brainer. Our team of experienced professionals is here to guide you through the process. We'll assess your energy needs, customize a solar solution for your home, and ensure a seamless installation. Solar panels are built to last, with minimal maintenance required. We monitor the system for you, so if there is an issue, we will most likely catch it before you do. Along with our 25-year guarantee, if your panels underproduce what we contractually said they would, we will cut you a check for the difference. Imagine never having to worry about your electricity going out ever again. Solar-powered homes with blackout protection not only keep your family safe, but also increase the value of your home. Let's recap. Going solar saves you money, makes you money, increases the value of your home, and protects your family from rolling blackouts. Deciding to go solar has never been easier. Join the solar revolution and be a part of a sustainable future. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and take the first step towards powering your home with the sun. Let's make a positive impact together.